Görana tato kato to iruto tiara. On Newman Thomas de no tokoro arua tune. Görana iruto tiara. I'm hoping you all have a great day today. I'm wishing you all well. Tia ngā toato anwan I nutirini ne. So kia ora ni H-Stack, kia ora na rotonga, kia ora tato kato iruto tiara. Today I just thought I'd make a quick video. The title of the video, tunumang ai. Aka PM, aka puma ana e mama. me liriri a mama I te ara, okay? Apea tō, aka rea tō, te mga numero tai, okay? Nā, mga numero tai, me pana te marama o mama I roto I te ara. So in English, I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you some of the best food, especially for islanders, for anyone really, that really likes the food. So, come with me. Welcome to my kitchen. Ko te mahate. So what I'm making is te patormits. Okay. Numero tai. No te kapuma ana mama me riri mama. Okay. So in here is slow cooking. Some people call it povi, but the patormits there. Manga white, manga garlic, slow cook for 2 hours. So it's been cooking for the last hour and a bit. So give it another hour. It's ka add tau vegetables okay. So te ngaire kai I takanga ne mo mga garden damo kakaria to. Haro katsiki mai te pak choy, okay? Te pak choy I taruguro to I te povi, na kore te patorumiti I roto I te ara, okay? So this is our little garden. Not bad, okay? We got some lettuce, pak choy. I can't remember te me tanu tokoroi kone, but nana te tanu kone. Some more pak choy. Okay, so pak choy te. This is pak choy. Straight from the garden, okay? This is what I like, the tunumang that them, you get it straight from the garden into the pot, okay? So I got ready te. So I'm gonna put this out. One. Don't forget to shake out the soil. Already did 2. No te ragi edwarai mo. So I can only pull out just 2 for the meantime, Okay. So this is the pak choy. No. You gotta remove the soil part, tama. Okay. Remove the roots. Okay. Oh, we're gonna go back into the house. So the mangate, yakara kay mama me, mama. Okay. So this is the once the patormits, once that's ready, in about an hour time, slow cook, I've made some kumara and potatoes. I've chopped them up. Tia baka kumara, numero tai. Now very nice the kumara in a boil up, and then I'm gonna add in the pak choy, the punokari. So, kia manuia tātou roto te ara. So, I'm gonna wait another half an hour, and then I'm gonna add everything together. Traua, kia manuia. Take care, everyone. I roto te ara. Kia ora nako from Newman all the way from Tokoroi Nutirine. Ka kite.